Hello, today I'm going to be explaining how to do question 24 from the UKMT Junior Maths Challenge 2019. The diagram shows a regular heptagon. Which of the expressions is equal to P plus Q plus R plus S plus T? Because it's a regular heptagon, that means that all the sides and all the angles inside the heptagon will be the same. So all 7 angles inside the heptagon are equal to P. The angle P plus Q makes a straight line, so that means that P plus Q equals 180 degrees. The angle T is the same as the angle Q, so that means that the sum of the angles P, Q and T equals 180 plus Q. So now we need to work out what R plus S equals in terms of Q. So if you look at the triangle formed by angle R and the 2 sides of the heptagon, then angle P is going to be between the 2 sides of the heptagon, but the other angle, because it's an isosceles triangle, is going to be equal to R. So as we said earlier, the angle P plus the angle Q equals 180 degrees. So that means that the angle P is going to equal 180 minus Q. The angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees. So that means that P plus 2R equals 180 degrees. And so 2R is equal to 180 minus P. And we know that P equals 180 minus Q. So 180 minus 180 minus Q just leaves us with Q. So that means that 2R equals Q. And so R equals a half Q. And S is the same as angle R, so that means that S also equals a half Q. And so R plus S equals half Q plus half Q, which just equals Q. So P plus Q plus T equals 180 plus Q, and R plus S equals Q. So that means that P plus Q plus R plus S plus T equals 180 plus 2Q. So the answer is B.